So you might be in a situation where for some reason your phone or your device keeps telling you on YouTube that something went wrong. Now, this is a very common type of issue. It's a very common type of error, and it can happen all over the place. So number one, the very first thing I'd recommend making sure is to make sure that your particular phone, whatever device you're using, your internet connection is good. Sometimes your internet connection can be really bad, and that could be kind of the reason why you're running into this type of problem. So try making sure that you're connecting to a good internet connection, your Wi-Fi connection, your data connection. That can be the very first thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about to kind of do here. Now, if you do that and that doesn't seem to be the main problem that you're running into, the next thing I'd recommend doing here is to just go through and try seeing if there's an update available for YouTube. So go inside of the Google Play Store just like this or whatever device you have, and try seeing if there's an update available for your, YouTube, application. So tap right over here, go and click into here, tap on YouTube, just like so. And then what you're going to want to do is you just want to update your YouTube application. A lot of the times, if you just kind of update the YouTube app, that can also be something that you might end up wanting to do here, and that's another very big thing I'd recommend doing here as well. Now, another thing I'd recommend doing here too, if that doesn't seem to be fixing it, is to just go through and see if YouTube is actually down. So what you can do here is you can go to a website like downdetector.com, like this one, and this website will basically tell you what's up and what's down, and if YouTube is down, it'll go and tell you if there's a big spike. So if there's any big spike like Discord kind of is having right now or the Xfinity had there, if YouTube has one that's kind of recent to your time, then that probably means YouTube is down, and you're probably just going to have to wait it out until the end of fixing the problem. So in terms of that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.